looks to it.
No, it's Bloody Skeet. That's what it was.
No, me and Trey went to CC's before we came here, and I spilled pizza on me. Big deal. No,
You see how much Alex eats? Do you see how fat she is?
It's pasta sauce.
She spelled everything. She spelled
Pizza, pasta, drinks.
I spilled salad on me. I spilled my drink.
Oh my God, you guys! It's Nick Savage from MySpace.
Extra nice thing.
Nicolette is not my last name.
It's my middle name.
It'd be dumb enough to put their last name on here.
Obviously, Nick Savage.
It's our defense.
Don't cuss at church.
Hey, I'll hit you.
Hey, I'll hit you.
Try with the.
Lay your hands on your face.
Yeah, I'm with my friends and I'm not next.
I'm elderly.
Alex, keep on. Here, you videotape now. Where?
I don't want to videotape.
You videotape now. But...
Oh my God.
Yes.
Look how far that went though.
Okay, you're videotaping now.
Hi, I'm Nick Savage, and I'm going to videotape. Hey, look, it's Trey.
It's true. Oh my God, no, that's horrible. Look. That's where like it went through his
Hand. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's the one.
I'm going to look so retarded on this video.
Michael Jackson.
$50 bill. It's $50 bill.
Oh my God, I love that movie.
I just found sunglasses, you guys.
$50 bill.
Look, I just found sunglasses.
Isn't it? No, Alex, it's up that way.
No, it's
oh,
not.
Never mind,
Come on.
$50 bill. $50 bill. I found $50 bill.
Here you
The Goonies.
Oh, okay. That's it.
go. Okay, let me see.
I can't do it. I found $50 bill. Trey, shut up.
What? Where are you going today?
$50 bill.
This is our adventure of the
Go to the cafe.
crazy. Oh, okay. No, I don't want to go. That's fine. Let's go to the Volkswagen place.
I like it in here. Oh God, you know, I'm sorry. I'm leaving right now. Okay. Hey look. Hey look, Nick. Secret passage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's go, you guys.
We just passed.
I don't know. Hey, look, there's my luggage. You can't really tell on here. It's too dark. Oh, well.
Dude, that's a really cool picture though.
What?
You like.
Someone just sitting here, okay, and you just get half of their body.
No, that's like, no.
That's like,
Oh, let me throw a camera.
that's like,
No.
that's like teaching. Yeah, Alex, you know, it's like.